Remember, there is nobody like you. You are just unique. Hello new coaches, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this particular video, I'm going to share with you how you can skyrocket your confidence level while starting your journey as a beginner, as a coach. Now watch this video till the end because I have got 3 game-changing tips for you. And the number 2 is my favorite. Hi, my name is Ravi Nadar and I'm a personal brand designer and also an author of a book, Quit Mediocrity. And I'm on a mission to transform 1 million lives to build a powerful personal brand from within. And I'm here to help you to build your personal brand so that you have a brand authority, so that people can trust you easily and buy from you whatever you have to offer. And in the last few years, I have already coached 300 plus coaches to build a personal brand, and 50 plus of my mentees has already got an opportunity to speak at a prestigious platforms like TEDx, which actually help them to doubling their influence, doubling their impact, and doubling their income. So let's get started. Shuru kiya jaye. Number 1, embrace your uniqueness. You are born unique. You need to see that you are unique because the perspective, the strengths you have, and the kind of a work you are doing, the experience you have, everything is unique. So always remember, there is nobody like you. You are just unique. The day when you will start believing in yourself that you are unique, you will start doing things and you will start believing in yourself, and that's how you will be able to increase your confidence level as well. Because the moment you start thinking you are unique, that means you will start, the creativity will start flowing in, and you will start loving yourself more, and you start focusing on yourself more, that hey, I got something to give it to this particular world because my thought process, maybe my experience, my expertise, my knowledge, each and everything is unique. And by the way, you are actually born unique. Okay, so embrace your uniqueness and be proud of who you are. Number 2, embrace imperfections. Now you see, when you are just getting started as a coach, as a beginner, there will be a time like you will be afraid of making that first video, maybe that first post, writing that first articles, or maybe like sharing your expertise knowledge online or offline. Because this is the one syndrome, disease I would say, which will be stopping you, is that perfectionism. Like you will be thinking that hey, I'm not perfection, I do not, like whether am I giving the right kind of a knowledge, am I doing it right way, everything. There is nothing right and there is nothing wrong. Okay, it's just all about progress. Do not think about that perfection, always think about the progress. Okay, so always embrace that imperfectionist, and especially people who are like logical mind, they all need, like you think that everything needs to be very much perfect. And recently I was able to hear one of the quote, like one execution is equal to 1,000 ideas. Okay, now that one execution cannot be a perfect, right? But that 1,000 ideas which is running over here, hey, I should do this, I should do that, I should do that, should I do this, should I come up with this and that. But just going ahead and taking that action, that is what is going to take your game to the next level. So embrace your imperfectionism. Okay. Number 3, continue learning. Because when you are starting continuously learning on that particular whatever subject, whatever topic you are having that experience, or whatever your strength you have, okay, when you are continuously investing in yourself, learning and improving on that particular area, that itself will help you to build that particular confidence level. Just imagine, okay, there would be a point where you think that hey, I have already given everything what I know, right, as a new coach, because hey, this is what the expertise I had, and I have already given it to through the content, or maybe like I already shared it to my community members or everywhere. Now what? That's when this gone, because at that time the confidence level will drop, So to help you to build that particular confidence, you need to continuously immerse in yourself through learning from different people, from books, from different courses, from different mentors. So that will actually help you to build that particular confidence level. And this is how I was able to skyrocket my confidence level when I was starting my journey as a coach. And comment below which is that one thing which you are going to get started with, and which is that one thing which you are going to implement in your life from today. Okay, now if you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. Okay, and comment below your thoughts, your comments, and share your, like, if you're facing any kind of a challenges or problems, I'll try to answer you from, like, making these kind of videos. And also do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Okay, this channel is for you. This is the channel where I'm going to help you to build you that brand authority so that people can trust you easily and buy from you whatever you have to offer. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. See you soon in the next video. Till that time, take care. Goodbye.